Are you tired of uncomfortable gaming chairs that feel more like punishment than relaxation? Well, today I'm introducing you to a chair that changes the game literally. With sofa-like comfort, vintage leather, and a unique design. This gaming chair is built for both serious gaming and all-day use. Seat cushion and comfort. First, let's talk about what makes this chair so different. The seat cushion. Instead of just plain foam, it's made with pocket springs and a whole piece of sponge, just like a high-quality sofa. Each spring works independently to adapt to your body weight, giving you balanced support and that luxurious sink-in comfort. It's basically a sofa disguised as a gaming chair. Vintage leather. Now, check out the surface. It's crafted from vintage leather. Unlike traditional PU leather, this material is softer, more breathable, and built to last. That means no more sticky feeling during long gaming sessions, plus it looks incredible with that retro style. Spacious backrest design. One of my favorite things about this chair is the different design approach. Most gaming chairs have side wings that make you feel cramped. But this one eliminates the wings and widens the backrest, giving you more space to find your ideal sitting position. Whether you lean back, sit upright, or stretch out, you'll never feel restricted. Upgraded footrest. Next up, the newly upgraded footrest. They've raised the height, improved stability, and added a soft cover that's even detachable. That means you can customize it however you want. Ultimate relaxation mode unlocked. Adjustable backrest, and of course, let's not forget the adjustable backrest. You can recline anywhere between 90 to 145 degrees and lock it exactly where you want. Whether you're grinding through long hours of gaming, watching movies, or even taking a nap, this chair has your back literally. So if you're looking for the perfect mix of comfort, durability, and style, this gaming chair is definitely worth checking out. It's not just a chair, it's an upgrade to your whole gaming setup. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome reviews, and let me know in the comments what's the feature you love most about this chair. The sofa-like seat, the vintage leather, or that spacious backrest. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.